So after the scale printing is finished, then we will start to print the phone cases. So first of all, we need to find out a phone case to make sure the edge of the phone case will not polluted. So we'd better to use a protective tape just to protect the edge. And then we need to double-faced adhesive tapes. This is used to fix the phone case on the flatbed. For example, this time we will put it as the X position is 6 and the Y start position as 2. Okay. 注意调节高度啊. So next we need to adjust the height of the flatbed. We need to move back a little bit. First, we use the left buttons to adjust the height. Then we use the right one to fix it. The distance between the phone case surface and the bottom of the beam is around 2 millimeters. So we can see. So after this, then we press Alt button to make the flatbed back to its home position, and then we move back to the software. 要不就打第一个。第一个。好吗？第一个吧。也不一定打满。Okay, we input a image into the software, then we make the settings. Since just now we placed the phone case at the 6 and 2, I mean the start position, so we set the output position as 6 and 2. 哎，你这是5.5了。打到中间。啊。The size 你设定了吗？嗯。Pick image size. Also, we need to make sure that we need to input the ICC profiles. 这儿现在没导入呢，你看这现在拷贝进去应该是。So first, we goes to the not this one. An artist rep 那你走到那个桌面，你回到桌面。光盘更新这里头有。不是，没在这里边。然后就是那个什么，到数据时代里边。
你能剪吗？
呀，这个里边。
能剪吗？
剪啥？不用剪，在这里边。Artist 2000 software rep 里边。OK， 第一个。We find these profiles and choose copy. Then we need to find out the root of the software. Okay, we can see the profiles, and the first for the CMYK, then we paste the ICC profiles into this position here, and then we need 应该就关了，还得重启吧？哎，不用重启啊。哪个呀？第一个。OK。啊，选那个呀。嗯。哎，那之前我教个客户都不对啊。考中进去了。 累死我了，人家们。效果怎么样啊？
还行。
Then we check the printing result. Of this, then we finished